This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Beth Robinson. This beautiful, well-maintained Cape Cod sits on a corner lot in Clear Creek Estates and includes lots of upgrades. The roof was replaced in 2014 and the furnace and AC were replaced in 2019. The large covered front porch and side-load garage offer fantastic curb appeal. Kitchen includes updated cabinets, countertops, backsplash, flooring, and appliances. The back deck is now screened in and includes a nice seating area and a hot tub. The bonus room above the garage has been finished out to make a nice man cave. So much to see and love here, don't miss it. A complete list of upgrades can be found under the Documents tab. The adjacent fenced lot at 905 West Estate Drive, 014-14981 13 Clear Creek Estates Section 6 Lot 113 is available to purchase for an additional $70,000.